So today I had a dumpling. Okay, so I hope I get the glitter one, and I hope I get the green one and the light blue. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, let's open it. In 3. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. 3, 2, 1. I hope it's green or a glitter one. Okay, so let's go open it. It's a green one. Oh, there's cream on it. It's so heavy, bro. Honestly, it's so heavy. Look at it.
Oh, yan. Sat mo. May kamay dyan. Oh, yun. Ang kamay. Hindi mo ipindot. Sa puti. Yan. Sat mo. Sat mo yan.
Oh, I thought it was being popped.
Ganay. Ganay.
Okay, guys. Bye.